Hello kids, this is Bindu Kumar here. Let's solve this question together. Which of the following are arithmetic progressions? If they form an arithmetic progression, find the common difference d and write 3 more terms. So what we must do is, we must first check if this list of numbers form an arithmetic progression. If they do form an arithmetic progression, then we have to find out the common difference d and write 3 more terms. So as you can see in this first question, they have given us 4 numbers in the list: minus 1.2, minus 3.2, minus 5.2, and minus 7.2. So we'll first try to find out if they're an arithmetic progression. I will write down the list of numbers as is: minus 1.2, minus 3.2, minus 5.2, and minus 7.2. The first number is A1 or A. The second number is A2. The third number is A3. And the fourth number is A4. So how do we find out if they are an arithmetic progression? So the formula for arithmetic progression is a set of numbers A1, A2, A3, and A4 are said to be in arithmetic progression if they are of the form A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on. So here the common difference D can be calculated as A of n plus 1 minus A of n. For example, D equals A3 minus A2, which also equals A2 minus A1. So let's apply this formula to the numbers that we have. So we'll first start with finding out the common difference D equals A4 minus A3. So what is A4 here? A4 is minus 7.2 minus A3. A3 is minus 5.2 equals minus 7.2 plus 5.2. We got plus here because minus into minus is plus. So I'll write the number one below the other so it is easy to do the subtraction. So here 2 minus 2 equal to 0. Point minus 7 and plus 5, we get a 2, but it is a minus 2 because minus is the sign of the largest number here, which is 7. So the final answer, or the common difference we found out, is minus 2. Now let's also calculate D equal to A3 minus A2. We will do this to see if we get the same result. Equals A3. A3 is minus 5.2 minus A2. A2 is minus 3.2. So we get minus 5.2 minus into minus plus. Let me write it down again. Minus into minus plus 3.2. So minus 5.2 plus 3.2. We get the answer minus 2.0, which is the same as minus 2. So with this we can see that we got the same common difference between A4 minus A3 and A3 minus A2. So with this we can say that yes, this list of numbers form an arithmetic progression. Now we have to look at the second part of the question, which is find out 3 more terms. Right? So we already have 4 terms: A1, A2, A3, and A4. Now we should also calculate A of 5, a of 6 and a of 7. So let me draw a line here. We'll first calculate a of 5. So here you have seen the formula for each term. A of 1 is the same as a. For a of 2 it is a plus d. For a of 3 it is a plus 2d and so on. So for a of 5 the formula will be a plus 4d. Now what is a here? A is minus 1.2 plus 4 into d. D we have found it as minus 2. 4 into minus 2 equals minus 1.2 plus. Okay, so let me delete the plus here. So we have 4 into minus 2, which is minus 8. So we get the answer minus 1.2 minus 8 equal to minus 9.2. So this is the value of A5 or the fifth term in the arithmetic progression. So we will write the result here as minus 9.2. Similarly, let's calculate A of 6. A of 6 will be A plus 5d. A is minus 1.2 plus 5 into d. D is minus 2 equals minus 1.2. 5 2s are 10, but it's a minus, so minus 10. We get the answer minus 11.2. So the value of A of 6 is minus 11.2. Now we will calculate the A of 7. A of 7 equals A plus 16. A is minus 1.2 plus 6 into minus 2 equals minus 1.2. 6 into 2 is 12, but it's a minus, so minus 12 equals minus 13.2. So A of 7 equal to minus 13.2. We'll write that down here as well. Okay, so with this we can say that yes, these list of numbers form an arithmetic progression where the common difference CD or D is equal to minus 2, and the three more terms are minus 9.2, minus 11.2 and minus 13.2. Thanks for watching this video. Remember to like, subscribe and click on the bell button to get notified of new videos.